So this is the February OK Beauty box. This has a value of over £98. Stay tuned and we'll go through to see exactly what is in the box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, I have an unboxing video for you, and it is this. This is the February OK Beauty box. Let's open it on up. So I've been meaning to film this for the last few days, but this is how I received it. It is already open, so I'm hoping all the products are still in here. But on the label here, it just says you'll get a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80. And in this box, it says on their website that this box is worth over £98, which is fab. It's £15 per month. And the code that I've got down below in the information box for you, you get your first box for £7.50, which is really, really good. It's not my specific code, it's just a code on their website that's telling you that. I just thought I'd pop it there to help you out. But we get the edit card. It has information on all the products in here, which is great. We get some voucher things for some of the OK Beauty magazines, and yeah, there is not a very good sneak peek for you, but yeah, let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Mono Skin, and it is their micellar water. It's 180ml, which is a full size product, and it has an RRP of £26.95. It just says the ultimate quick and easy face cleanser. This gentle micellar water removes makeup in just a few swipes. It's packed full of minerals and hydrating ingredients to care for the skin as it cleans. It's full size bottle, which will last you ages. You just spray it on a cotton pad and wipe over your face and neck. I've had this before, not by this beauty box, it was in a beauty box, I can't remember which one, but yeah, I actually really enjoyed using it, and I really like this brand as well, which is fab. So yeah, I'm not disappointed that I've got this again, because my skin seemed to really enjoy it the last time that I used it. The second item we have is this. So this is by the brand Skinchemists, and it is the Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. This is 30ml, it is travel size, and it has an RRP of £24.90. It just says this excellent everyday moisturiser hydrates, protects and perfects all skin types. The lightweight yet nourishing formula treats your skin with key ingredients. Bak choli, glycerin and green caviar extract, a seaweed rich in minerals and amino acids to leave the skin feeling healthy and happy. Just apply to your face and neck every morning after cleansing. Funny enough to get this, actually, I've literally just used up the eye cream by this brand, and it's from their youth series as well. And I quite enjoyed using that, so very excited to get the day moisturizer. And I think, even though it says here that this is a travel size, 30ml is quite decent, so you can have a fair few tries to see if you actually like it or not. Okay, cool. Third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and this is a deep relaxing sleep mist. This is 10ml, it's travel size, and it has an RRP of £23. Oh my god. Aromatherapy Associate blends of essential oils really do seem to have the effects on your mood. This one combines grounding, vetiver and soothing chamomile and sandalwood into a dreamy, snooze-inducing bedroom scent. How to use: just spritz over pillows, bedding and the body before going to bed, and take a deep breath to really feel the full effect of the oils. Okay, cool. I have lots of these. I haven't had anything from this brand though, which will definitely be interesting to use. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that is nice actually. Okay, yeah, we'll have to spray that all over my bed and my body to see if it's going to help me sleep, because I have really bad insomnia at the moment. Fourth item that we have in the box is this. So this is by Avant Skincare, and this is Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Masks. You get 1 pair of masks in here and it has an RRP of £12. It just says these indulgent under eye masks soaked in collagen rich serum are just the thing to use for before and after a big event. Keep in your fridge for extra perky powers. Apply underneath each eye, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, remove and massage any remaining residue. Yeah, cool. I love little eye masks like this, perfect. And really excited it's Avant. So yeah, £12 for 1 pair of eye masks. Wow. Yeah, can't wait to try them and feel bougie because it's Avant. And final item in the box is this. So it's by the brand Sanctuary Spas, and this is Ruby Oud Natural Oils Melting Pearls Body Butter. There's 75 mils in here, which is travel size, and it has an RRP of £4.50. It just says treat your limbs with this luxurious new body cream, which contains pearls of an encapsulated argan oil that diffuse and sink into the skin upon application. The fragrance is an essential combination of sweet and amber and oud. Massage generally into the body every day or whenever the skin is feeling dry. Sniff test. Oh, that is nice. That's really nice. That looks lush and thick as well. Oh yes, it is. Wow. It's like a jelly gel thing. A jelly gel thing. So there you go. And that's the technical term. Oh, it feels lovely. Nice. That's actually a really relaxing scent. That would be great to use before bedtime. Actually, yeah. Nice. Hey guys, so this is the February OK Beauty box with a value of over £98. What do you think? Personally, I'm quite happy about the box. Not particularly overjoyed by it, but I am really happy with it. The micellar water, my skin did seem to love it the last time, so yeah, not a problem in receiving that again. The day cream, I really enjoyed the eye cream in that series, so really happy to get the day cream, to give that a try, see if I like that as well. The eye mask, I always love an eye mask, and I know there's many views on Avant. Personally, the products that I've tried are really good. Yes, very expensive. I definitely wouldn't and couldn't pay for them off my own back. I just haven't got the money. Avant is so expensive. The sleep mist, that's expensive, like for that tiny bit. That's really expensive for what it is. But I will certainly use it and feel a bit bougie using it as well. And the body lotion, body butter, whatever you want to call it, yeah, I mean, it seems really weird when you touch it. It's like a slimy jelly gel. Slimy jelly. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, it smells really nice. So yeah, it's an alright decent box. It's got a good value on it. Overall, gets a thumbs up from me. What do you think? Are you subscribed to this box? If not, does this make you want to subscribe to it? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. If you do, I've pulled a code off their website, which is down below in the information box. You'll get your first box for £7.50, normally £15. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.